So today we are playing Disney Dreamlight Valley, and we're going to be cooking at Remy's restaurant, and we're going to see what customers we have today. We're playing this on the Nintendo Switch. Alright. So let's start cooking. So we are making a fruit cake. You need 3 fruits and some wheat. And look how cute Remy is. He does his little dance. Then you're going to walk away. Then you're going to give it to whatever character in the restaurant wants fruit cake or whatever dessert or meal they want. We are making sweet and sour kingfish. You need kingfish, sugar, and lemon. And look how happy Remy is. Now let's deliver it to the customer. Here you go, Nala. Enjoy. So we're gonna make GooseBerry Boba. Right now we're just looking for it. You need sugar, milk, and gooseberries. And then Remy is super excited as always. Now you deliver it to who's there, who wants it, and that's Moana. Here you go, enjoy. Next, we're gonna make Kristoff's sautéed mushrooms, and just like that, we pulled off a shift in the restaurant. We're looking for the sautéed mushrooms. You just need mushrooms and butter. Yay, we made it. Just like that. Now we're going to deliver it to Kristoff. Here you go, Kristoff. I have your order. Enjoy. I want to thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and share with a friend. Bye for now.